Hello, my name is Thomas Wyman and this is my website. As you can see right here, there's personal project button down below. Will give you the recording, but you already pressed that. That's why you're listening to me speak. The first page I have here is the offer page. We have two buttons on the offer page, the buy now button and the no thanks button. The no thanks button takes you back to the home page, while the buy now button puts you to the upsell. And there's two buttons on the upsell page. The no thanks button takes you to the downsell page, while the buy now button takes you to e-commerce. So now we'll go to the downsell page. Once again, two buttons. Buy now takes you to e-commerce, and no thanks will take you also to e-commerce. Purchasing the initial offer. Then we have our MailChimp page. As you can see, I made a nice page here. Hope you can read that carefully. It says, please give me an A. Then we have the contest page, duck season. Finally, we have the Facebook page. I just took a screenshot of my own. And the mobile app, which I made on AppyPie, which is just a resume about myself. And we have the e-commerce page, so that's my personal page. Thank you.